going on, YouTube? Ali Dope. I'm checking in once again with another cover art breakdown. Episode 3. Yes, sir. Today we will review 3 new covers and 1 music video poster for the month of January. The 3 covers we'll be going over are Chief Keef's Phoneme, Cordae's From a Bird's Eye View, and 2 Chainz' Dope Don't Sell Itself from his upcoming album. JMSN posted a new music video poster for his new video that just dropped, so we're gonna be checking that out as well. Without further ado, let's hop into the computer. Okay, the first cover we're gonna go over is Cordae's From a Bird's Eye View. This is the official cover. This cover was made by ABHI7, and they actually do a lot of this style of painting. I actually like the abstractness of the cover. The colors work well together. Overall, I think it's a mid cover though, to be honest. It seems like it's a digital painting, so you can achieve this look by first taking a picture of someone in a pose or similar to this. And I would start with the ground, then the sky. I would use the mixer brush with several separate layers and to create it. I know they probably went into mad detail, so I feel like the detail is the most important part. But overall, I think from the title, From a Bird's Eye View, he could have definitely went crazier. But you know, it's a cool cover nonetheless.
Wow, look at that. Isn't she beautiful?
Next up, we have Chief Keef Phoneme. This has been on repeat for me. If you ain't listened to it yet, go check it out. But this full process was done by Jeff Asaba and creative direction by Daisy Delancey. This cover, man, is really unique, man. And this is what I mean about thinking out the box. I really love this cover. All the details, they really killed this. They fully scanned in and had a complete idea of what they wanted to do, created small figurines and scanned them in, took them to a beach. Like, that's awesome. But Jaffa really paid attention to details on his cover. He modeled, painted, and scanned in the individual soldiers. Then he took them to the beach and set them up in a scene. And then he did like the final touches in post. He added like the explosions and the color and then the clarity to bring it out. But yeah, like, and they made this an NFT, so it's gonna go far. I love the concept. I love the colors. Just pure fire. One of the best covers that come out this year. It's gonna be a real hard topper, man. All right, and next up we have 2 Chainz' Dope Don't Sell Itself. A simpler take on cover art comes from 2 Chainz' upcoming album. The cover was shot by Wynton Harvey and it was lit by Rural Studios. Wynton has been working with 2 Chainz on a few different projects. He's a photographer with like a clean look. And it turned out pretty cool for this cover. You see 2 Chainz' hands with an extremely large blunt holding a shoebox full of money. I like that concept. I feel like it matches the theme of dope selling itself. Now 2 Chainz did say that the idea came from he wanted to reimagine his first bank account. And he's sure that a lot of hustlers can relate. So I'm thinking it's going to be a hustlers type of album with hustler music on it and go get money type music. They also added a few touches on the box, which puts the EP information on there. So I think that was a cool little touch. But overall, pretty simple, cool, custom idea. I'm pretty sure that's real money in a real shoebox. So I don't think that's something that you could just fake. But you could always make it yourself. But it's easier to just take an original photo. And for our music video personal, we have Don't Make Me Change by JMSN. If you don't know who JMSN is, please go look out his music, man. He's been making music for a while now. Very dope, creative mind. And I definitely think I want to do a tutorial on this type of style. I really like the text. I like the Mars that he used. I like the outline of the person with the picture in the inside with the dope clipping mask. I think this is just an overall cool music video poster, man. So we'll definitely do a tutorial on that. And those are the covers for the month of January. Make sure you guys tap with me on IG and TikTok and DM me. Let me know what covers y'all want to see broken down in the future. I hope this helped you in some sort of way, inspired some sort of inspiration, or gave you some sort of ideas for your next cover as well. We're 300 subscribers away from 5K, baby. Let's get it, man. 5K, I got a new series that I'm gonna roll out for you guys. So as soon as we hit 5K, I'm gonna hook y'all up with a new series. And I appreciate everybody's words of encouragement, support, DMs, everything. Until next time, you guys, y'all know what to do. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, it's the first of the month. Y'all gotta keep hustling. Let's get it.